Hi, this is Jay Jenkins of Pearson Education. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can assign media, and more specifically the Etext, inside of a MyLab. So if you go to the Assignment Manager by scrolling down to the Instructor Tools and going to the Assignment Manager. Once in the Assignment Manager, you'll go to Create Assignment and you'll choose Homework. Then you can give it a name like Etext Chapter 2. Then you'll go to the Select Media and Questions, and from here you'll switch from Questions to Media. Then over here you'll choose which chapter you're working in and which chapter you would like to assign. Once you've done this, you'll notice now the areas below here, the available media has populated. There's 9. There'll be different things depending on what course you're in, but the Etext is right here. So that's the symbol. If you scroll over it, it'll show you. So if I wanted to assign the entire Chapter 2 Etext, I could come up here and choose All, and then uncheck the items that are not the Etext, and click Add. And now all of the Etext has been assigned. And from here I can choose Next. I can set it up with any due dates I want, or I can just leave it open for the entire semester. I can also set up a due date and allow late submission, and continue to follow through any of the parameters that we allow you to change. Also, if you have any questions on these parameters, always remember that there is a help button on the right hand side next to the print button, and if you click that question mark help button, it will open up a page that will give you the instructions for everything that is available on the page. Excellent. I hope this is helpful. Once you're done, make sure you click Save and Assign. If you click Save, it'll save in your assignments, but students will not see it. For students to see it, you click Save and Assign. And that completes our video, and I hope you had a great day.